Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Woven Tales. If you missed part 1 of this crochet bag tutorial, you can find the link in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out first so you can follow along step by step. In today's video, this is part 2, and we're going to make the crochet short handle for our modern shoulder bag. The bag charm will be in part 3, so stay tuned for that. This design is beginner friendly, very easy to make, and the result is both trendy and practical. The bag has a modern, simple look with a short handle that gives it a stylish and sturdy finish. For the handle, I'm using 2 gold handle rings with hooks. First, pass your crochet hook through the ring, pull the yarn, and make a chain directly on the ring. Then, work 6 single crochet stitches around it, holding the tail firmly and securing it under your stitches. This way, your work stays neat and strong. Insert your hook into the stitches to pull loops, yarn over, pull through the first loop. Continue like this. Insert your hook into the stitches to pull loops, yarn over, pull through the first loop, then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops at a time. Continue like this, and you'll notice the handle starting to take shape. From here, we'll keep working rows forth and back without turning the work, always crocheting on the same side. Repeat this process until you reach the length you like. I chose to make a short handle for a trendy, modern look, but you can make it longer if you prefer. The nice thing about these rings is that they make the process easier. You don't need to sew the handle to the bag itself, because the hook part keeps it secure. Off the yarn with a long tail to sew securely around the ring. I recommend using a tapestry needle here. It's much easier than trying to do it with the hook, and it gives a clean, professional finish. Simply insert the needle through the front loop, pass it through the ring, and repeat from back to front until it's tightly secured. And that's it. You now have a sturdy, stylish crochet handle for your bag. This shoulder bag is very simple, yet looks modern and fashionable, perfect for everyday use. In part 3, we'll be adding a fun crochet charm to complete the look of the bag and give it a personal touch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Crochet Woven Tales, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the final part.